I think it was the pool that brought us together more than anything else. I think it was the pool. Rusty thought that it was the pool that brought them together more than anything else. Somi was a beautiful swimmer. He dived off rocks and went gliding about under the water like a long golden fish. Somi was a beautiful swimmer. He dived off, he made a dive of the rocks and went gliding. Gliding means moving in the water, under the water, like a long golden fish. Like a long golden fish, he glided under the water. Somi. Anil's legs and arms were very long, and he thrashed about with much vigor but little skill. Anil's legs and arms were very long, and he thrashed about. Thrashed about means dived. He also dived uh, with much vigor, with much energy, enthusiasm, but little skill. But he had little skill in diving. I could dive off a rock too, but I usually landed on my stomach. I could dive off. Rusty also could dive off a rock too, but he usually landed means swimmed on his stomach. He also made a dive in under the water. Rusty made a dive in the water under the water, but I usually landed means he usually swimmed on his stomach. So in this paragraph, uh, Rusty tells how much expertise they had in swimming the water. There was a slim silverfish in the waters of the stream. There were slim silverfish in the waters of the stream. Stream here is pool. In the pool, in pool's water, there were slim silverfish. At first, we tried catching them with a line. At first, the three, Somi, Anil, and Rusty, tried to catch those silverfish with a line. Line means stick or hook. But they soon acquired the art of taking the bait without being caught on the hook. But they soon learnt the art of taking the bait without being caught on the hook. They soon learnt how to catch the fish. Next, we procured a bed sheet. Procured means obtained. They got a bed sheet. Anil removed it from his mother's laundry. Removed means took this bed sheet from his mother's laundry. Laundry means giving clothes to the washerman. The sheet that was being used to give clothes to the washerman to wash. So Anil took that bed sheet, from his mother's laundry, and we stretched it across one end of the stream, and they stretched it uh, across one end of the stream, but the fish would not come anywhere near it. They had tried to catch the fish by spreading bedsheet on the water, but the fish would not come anywhere near it. But the fish did not come there near to the bedsheet. Finally, without telling us, Anil fetched a stick of gunpowder. Finally, without telling to them, Somi and Rusty, Anil fetched a stick. Fetched means brought. Anil brought a stick of gunpowder from a fireworks shop. From a fireworks shop, he brought the gunpowder stick. Somi and I were startled out of an after by a flash across the water and a deafening explosion. I miss Rusty. Somi and Rusty were startled. They were surprised in an afternoon system is rest time of afternoon by a flash. There was a flash across the river and a deafening explosion. There was an explosion and that was almost deafening. Half the hillside tumbled into the pool because of this explosion. Half the hillside tumbled into the pool. Tumbled means fell down, and so did Anil. Anil also fell down, but we got him out. They got him out from the pool along with a good supply of stunned fish. He came out of the water with a good supply of stunned. The fish also had got stunned that were really too small to eat. He brought with him the stunned means that was stunned because of the explosion of the gunpowder fish. He brought they were so small that could not be eaten. Anil, however, did not want all his work going to waste. Anil, however, did not want. He does not want. He did not want that his all his labor, all to catch the fish should go waste. He did not want this thing, so he roasted his fish over a fire. He roasted the fish over a fire and ate them by himself, including their tails. He ate them by himself, including their tails. So, in this paragraph, it is told how much mischief they did in their young age, how they discovered the pool, and how they enjoyed in the water of the pool, and what they did there to catch the fish.